Simple science concepts: light, shadow, and reflection. Luminous objects. Objects that emit their own light are called luminous objects. Example: sun, stars. Non luminous objects. Objects that do not emit their own light. They can be seen only when light falls on them. Example: moon. Transparent. Light passes almost completely through transparent materials. Example: glass, plastic sheet. Translucent. Light passes partially through translucent materials. Example: butter paper, frosted glass. Opaque. Light does not pass through opaque materials. Example: wood, wall.